Hey guys, Jared with Control Pair Munitions with another BattlBox video. Alright guys, so got this BattlBox in 2 days ago. Today's the day of the podcast. It is April 7th. So I got this 2 days ago. I've been meaning to do this video since. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't die halfway through. It just did an update, so hopefully they figured some stuff out. So they have not come out with a new video for this yet, so I did not watch this like I usually do. So let's hope I don't mess it up. So just open this guy up, like I usually do, go through what it has. Is it actually Mission 86? It is Mission 86. This might be the first video of Mission 86 that anybody has out there. Be kind of cool. Alright, so Mission 86, boom boom, for April. So, like usual, we're going to start on the basic box, go all the way up to the Pro Plus, which I have. And looks like we're going to have some cool stuff in here today. Woo. So, basic box. Looks like we're going to start with the TACTICA M020 camping tool thing. So, let's see what that thing looks like. Let's see here. TACTICA. Ooh, that's got a fancy box. It's got a little level or a little rising thing right there, a risen thing. You know, oh, that's pretty. That's kind of cool, man. Tent peg puller, rope cutter, ferro rod starter. Dude, this thing's kind of cool. Ooh, it even comes with the ferro rod. You know, let's open her up. So again, I didn't get to see the video. I haven't seen a video for this box yet, so I don't know if there is one or not, or if there's going to be. Oh, owner's manual. Alright, so we got a little foam case that thing was in. It does come with a little ferro rod, little guy. And it looks like it fits just right in that little rubber handle that fits inside this tool. This tool does feel metallic. Let's see if it's magnetic. It is magnetic, so that's good. So it's got to be some sort of decent steel. It does not feel flimsy at all. Beer bottle opener, or bottle opener for those responsible people. It does look like it has a little blade in here for the cutting. Little measurement area. I'm guessing this side's metric right here. That's guy's standard. And it looks like you could use that probably for a compass or looking at degrees. Or as far as like maybe a sundial? Maybe. Have to look in the instructions, but that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. $35 though on their website. I don't know if it's that cool, if it does all that for you. Okay, so it has a flathead screwdriver, looks like right there. Rope tensioner, you can use it for that. Rope cutter. Can opener. Oh, that's going to be underneath this guy. So it's got a can opener. Alright, put that little guy back. That's probably why that sheath's on there. It's built a little sharp. So your tent peg puller to be able to pull tent pegs out of the ground. Bottle opener, rope tensioner. We already talked about that. Shows you how to use the ferro rod. Okay, so yeah, the little indicators are metric. Those ones are inches, the bigger ones. It is a sundial. Holy shit, look at that, huh? Didn't even have to use the video to know what I was talking about. I still don't know what I'm talking about, but still, that is kind of cool. $35 though. I mean, I'd probably put that in my bag on a keychain or something. I have it just to have a little extra little gizmos. I like little gizmos. It sell 35 bucks. I'm kind of, no offense, I'm kind of glad it came in the box. So cool though, like it. Moving on, next thing in the basic box. I'm trying to lift up a little bit. I mean, I don't know, it's 35 bucks, and it's literally a piece of metal. So Anyway, outdoor element handled pot gripper and fuel canister recycle tool. All right, let's look at that. Oh, that's gonna be in that case, I'm assuming. Let's see the handle. Oh, that one's fancy. So if you get pots, pans, cooking utensils, or even some, you'll even have like plates. They'll have like little steel plates and stuff. So it looks like I can pop the cap on the gas for this guy, and or seal it. So that's kind of nice. Or let the remainder of it out so I can then puncture the can if I need to, which is kind of cool. So here, remove the cotter pan and use the handle. Okay, that's just for that part. But yeah, it's mostly just to grip a pot. So you actually put the pot right in here and up underneath, and you grip it, and you can move it up and out of the fire with that. Some come with their own. This is kind of nice and fancy. Looks like you remove this cotter pin here to utilize this guy for fuel canister recycle tool. I guess it's to recycle the can. Oh, so you use all the gas, throw it in a recycle thing. It doesn't say that, but I got you. I like that. 15 bucks. That ain't bad. It's $14.95 for this guy, and you're kind of saving the environment. Kind of cool. So, two things so far. We're almost at 50 bucks. The next one, Soul Firelight Fire Cubes. So, the pillow, fire cubes. Ooh, oh, look at those. Is this bag resealable? No. Like, that's some shit. Oh, they're like little cubey thingies. Oh, okay. So it looks like they burn for 8 minutes. They are fire starting little doodads, kind of like the bushcraft ones that we got the it was a few months ago. Those worked really well. I actually used those in the field. I want to do a video on that. There is some other kindling, some little fire starter stuff that I bought from other places. I don't remember if it was this brand. I want to say it was Endure, and they didn't work as well as those guys did. I'm interested to see what these guys are. It looks like it's possibly alcohol based because it says cubes. There's 12 of them. So probably like that fire dragon. We're opening it up. I gave up. So I want to open it up. Oh yeah, it's like the fire dragon stuff, so that's cool. So they're little alcohol cubes. Those worked great, by the way, the fire dragon things. So if these are anything like that, it's going to be awesome. And it says it burns for 8 minutes. It has a 5-year shelf life. They are lightweight. I mean, that's with 12 cubes, and this thing doesn't weigh anything really. Yeah, so that's kind of cool, dude. That's a really $8. $8. I'll use the shit out of that. So $8. I've actually even wanted to buy more of the little fire plugs that we got out of the box. And what else was there? The fire dragon stuff, because that stuff does work for sure. So all in all, right now we're at about 58 bucks. And then so the basic box, 58 bucks. I did look the other day. I can't remember the prices. The basic box is like 35 bucks. So you came up like 20 some bucks. Awesome. If you were to get the basic box in this one. The advanced box, but then also comes with the basic box. You get a KLYMIT camp table, which I'm assuming is that guy. So we're going to pull that guy out. Ooh, that's, that ain't too bad. Maybe 3-4 pounds. So nice little bag here. See how hard this is to do on camera. Alright, so by no means am I professional. Okay. So I'm assuming that guy, yes. Maybe. Maybe not. Does it go like that? I think it does. Oh, look at that. I know which way it goes. Okay, so boom, like that. Okay, and let's see this right here. Looks like there's only 2 pieces. Ooh, okay. That's kind of fancy. It is notched. for his or her pleasure, I'm assuming. And this will just clip in. Oh yeah. Nice little positive click there. Once I get this rod back in, I'll make sure I click it. There we go. Oh yeah. Click it like that. Oops. Lost fire plugs. Oh yeah. All right, so that is the table. It's only ain't too bad. It's like a foot tall or so, maybe about a foot wide, foot and 2 feet that way. I don't know how much weight that thing will hold. Let's see here. Yeah, it definitely will fit in a backpack. Like you have a camping backpack or like on the side of a bag. It's 45 bucks, it says. And you know what, dude, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. I can use that for a whole lot of things, not just for camping. So that's kind of cool, man. So far, advanced box. I'll leave that thing down there. That's gonna take up way too much room. So advanced box, you get 45 bucks plus the other. So we're at what? Almost 100 bucks. Yeah, over 100 bucks. Yeah, over 100 bucks, $102. Bad at math. So that's pretty cool. So got that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Sorry, I got excited. Got a couple things. I took a sneak peek at the Pro Box. So the Pro Box comes with two items. First item is 25 bucks. It is the KLYMIT little camping pillow. I just did a video. I haven't made it complete yet. At the drag races, I did a review on that KLYMIT pouch. I took it to the drag races and used it there. After I blew it up all the way, it did feel more comfortable. I am fat though. It did hold me, which was awesome. But I'm wondering if my butt still hurt a little bit just because of the, yeah, me going through it a little bit. So that is a pillow that only fills up halfway. Hold on. I would like to add that if you're blowing it up for the first time, you might need to pop the seal on the inside. So I took a second. Let's see here. I would have to actually lay down and try that out, but dude, that's actually kind of neat. 25 bucks for a little pillow. It folds up. Went in this little bag that goes in a anywhere. That's pretty cool. And just to deflate it, yeah. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a minute. The next thing, I've been needing to buy one of these for a while, so I got one. It says, okay, it is sleeping pad. I was like, it says sleeping bag, but I don't think so. I got too excited when I read it. So this is the KLYMIT Static V2. Feels like it's made out of a really decent material. It's lightweight. That is long. This might take a couple blowings, so don't get too excited. So I wasn't letting the military because my asthma, but I think I just proved I could probably go in the Navy. Almost done. Catching up. If you're a fat guy, I'd have a lot more lung power. Alright. So here is the whole bed. It is that long. It is, let's see here, I'm gonna lay it or stand it up. It's taller than me, which isn't saying much, but it's kind of cool because at least I know I'll fit on it. It's like perfect anyway, as for size. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out and do that in another video. I don't think you want to see me lay down and sleep right now, so I'll do that in another video. That is, dude, that is cool. I like that, and they both come in their cool little pouches. That is definitely easy to store away. That's 70 bucks. So I mean, that saved me 70 bucks. That is awesome. So between both of those, 95 bucks, almost $200, and up to the Pro Box area. Wow, that's up there. And then so that it's actually pretty good. So I pay more or less than that for the Pro Plus. So neat little thing there. Last item, Pro Plus, the knife of the month. Knife of the month is an A-TAC Phantom. So let's see here. We're gonna cut this thing open. Maybe. All right. Have a knife to cut open another knife. That is pretty. So I don't know if there's any other colors of these. I will put that in the description below for that, along with the item list like I usually do. That is pretty. It is slick though. Not sure if I like how slick it is, but it is thin. It is very light. It's not light, you know it's there, but oh, that moves smoothly. So it has really nice bearings. Not spring assisted, but it does move pretty freely. Looks like it has a little carabiner hanger or whatever you want to do there. You want to hang it from something, put on your bag. Definitely would notice this that much in your pocket. All right, I'm not really sure what happened there with the GoPro. Yeah, so it just turned off randomly. I saw plenty of battery, everything else. Maybe it's because I left it on in my pocket and my butt went, stop recording. So I don't think I can blame the GoPro for this one. Back to the knife. The knife is pretty nice. It is made by A-TAC. See here, BG10 stainless steel blade. It does weigh 125 grams, so not too heavy. And yeah, man, this is definitely kind of nice to be able to put in a little bag, be able to carry on you. The blade feels pretty decent. You can see that there. It is really pretty. I mean, look at those colors. That is awesome. Dude, yeah, that's pretty cool. $110. $110. This knife could be yours off the BattlBox website. So, let's see here. We're up to about 300 or so bucks. And this box for the Mission 86, that's pretty good. Again, I pay about $189, I think, with shipping. So, if anything, I got 100 extra bucks out of it. 120 bucks or so, give or take. So that is definitely cool. It does look like they gave me a KLYMIT a coupon as well. I save up to 25%, which is pretty cool. I never really show these. I forget to, because they usually just sit in the bottom, and I'm usually trying to rush through these so the GoPro doesn't overheat or anything. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. We are doing live podcast on YouTube Thursday nights at 7, which is in 2.5 hours. And so we'll be there tonight, which you guys probably won't see this until next couple days. And we are putting our podcast out on Google Podcast, Spotify, iTunes, Apple, whatever it is. All the links are going to be listed below, along with all the links for all the items that I have opened today. Again, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content, and appreciate you. Have a good day.